I'm Anna. I'm the volunteer coordinator, but I also do our social media. Listen, my supervisor told me I could get a little bit creative with the content that we're putting out. I'm just going to introduce you to some people that are here.
Hi, I'm Cassie, and as you can see, if we turn the camera, there's ice and snow everywhere. I'm trying to do my job of stacking and stuffing a billion hay nets, but it is a little tough in this weather. Anna's making me do this video. Thank you, Anna. And yeah, so this is farm life.
Oh my God. Hi, I'm Gracie, and my mom works here. So since I don't have school today, I have to be here. Yay! Can I belly slide?
We really love it when Gracie's here when there's no school. It's really helpful and productive for the staff.
Do I look like I'm waddling? Do I look like a penguin?
I would just attempt to be useful.
Yeah, she's holding me against my will right now, actually.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm the assistant barn manager, and I really love it when Anna interrupts me while I'm doing my job.
What are you doing?
Hi, my name is Betsy, and I am Anna's supervisor. I did say that she could get creative with our social media, though based on some mild complaints that I am going to have to review, we will have to see how the future of that goes.
Wasn't that great? I really did scream. Did you hear that?
Okay, this is all very frozen.
But I'm very grateful to our equine care staff for taking care of our ponies. They certainly haven't minded being interrupted multiple times during their hard work because, as we all know, social media is the most important priority for snowstorms.
Look all around at these ponies. They are loving their freedom. Look at them, all beautiful in the snow.
I'm gonna fall.